Um, about conversion, do the kids of an Ohai who converts get converted automatically without getting into the mikveh? That's the question.
No, they must go to the mikveh. For example, if a family converts, right, and they have kids, girl, let's say 3 years old, and the boy is 7 years old, right? So the girl is going to be with her mother to the mikveh, right? The boy going with his father. They do circumcision to both of them, right? Boy and the father, right? And but when they become mature, meaning halachically mature, when the girl becomes 12 and boy becomes 13, so they call him to the Beis Din, right? I'm not sure if parents are allowed to be there. Maybe yes, maybe no. I'm not sure. I don't want to say. I think no. So, and the Beis Din is going to ask them, do you want to stay Jewish? So when she was 3 years old, or this boy was 7 years old, I mean, the father say, you coming to me, with me, we're going to dip to this pool, and this rabbi say whatever they say Mazel Tov, it's going to be a big celebration after that. But did he have a choice? No. I mean, he had he lived this Jewish life. Let's say he went to yeshiva, he was keeping kosher, everything, keeping Shabbos and stuff. But when he is now 12 years old, 13, sorry, the boy 13 years old, so he has to say, right? If he says, I don't want to be Jewish, that's it. Nobody is allowed to force it. You understand? And he's not going to get punished for anything.
But wasn't him having already a Brit Milah?
For the boy, yeah. So he has a Brit Milah. What is the problem? They do here, for example, in America, they do in the hospitals. So of course there is no this step prior the pulling back, but basically technically after the fact, after it's all said and done, so it is after the fact. It's I don't want to put any thoughts in anybody's mind. So but after the fact, this the circumcision is okay, and they just draw a little blood like with a needle to prick a little to draw one blood, and after the fact there is a kosher circumcision after the fact. You understand? So that doesn't matter. So many times if a person is from America, I don't know in what country, but other countries, of course they do not force, but it's a parent's right. Right? They for want to do the circumcision. I mean, even many non-Jews have circumcision. You understand? So in this case, they would not need to like maybe prick a little with a needle. My father, that's a tough one. And plus, we have to understand for adult to go through the circumcision, it's a surgery. Right? I remember I saw the discussion whether to put them under anesthesia or do not put them. So people, I think the bottom line said, no, you know what? Oh, let's put them under anesthesia. It's a real surgery. You cannot just put just expect a person to hold himself back, right? So it of course it costs money. It's not free, basically.
Talking about this, I have a question related to the neshama or the nefesh or the ruach that is in the blood. So this person that gets circumcised lost part of his body, and what this part of his body carries some a level of degree of nefesh or ruach or neshama.
No. It's a flesh that there is no part of the souls in the flesh itself. Right, so they have to bury it, but it's actually when they do the circumcision. So meaning what the place that when they do the circumcision is the most physical place in a man's body, right? And when they do the spiritual, thing. So it's when physical meets spiritual, basically, but it has nothing to do with the soul. The soul comes when a person dips into the mikveh. So he comes, he goes with like say his name was Chris, right? And goes out like from the mikveh as Yosef. You understand? And at that moment, this many times, it depends on a person. Many times at that specific moment, the soul enters him. But it, as was reported by Rabbi Reuven, so I mean, from the testimony of the people, sometimes the soul would come like several months later. But person feels like amazing experience, you know, when the soul comes. But it's going to come. If it was true conversion for the right reasons, and a person like did not lie, and he intend everything that he said on this based in interview, so the Jewish soul is going to come.